Capital University Law School is an exceptional community, and it is a privilege to be here. And I'm grateful for that every day. And it is not without the support of those that are funding scholarships that many of us are here. And so I really appreciate the support from the community and those that have the opportunity to give back, and that they actually do. They're contributing to the future of law. Students like myself, who are, first generation law school students. I'm 44, I've had a career in teaching, and I recognize that there was a huge need for advocacy in areas specifically for child-centered justice. And this is a part of that journey, but it wouldn't have happened without some of the scholarships that are helping to fund my education. And so, it was important to me when I see the daily effects of the generosity of people that have gone before us to make sure that they know it's not taken for granted. We're grateful. And you can see the students that are sitting at the Carrels taking advantage of, the upgraded outlets and lighting. It makes a big difference in our studies daily, but in the long term, makes a big difference in this social reciprocity. I hope someday everyone that's benefiting from the use of these Carrels will look back and say, now it's my turn to give back once we're in practice. Our library study Carrels are a wonderful asset to our day-to-day activities here at Capital University Law School. During the semester, they're our home away from home. We have 6 courses this semester, and we can store our textbooks, our materials, recharge our computers, and ourselves at our library Carrels. It's a great way to also get to connect with all different levels of law school students, collaborate with our peers, complete studying and assignments, and group work. The improvement of the study Carrels by adding the new lighting and the outlet features has been incredible. Most notably, it's just really improved the morale of students, and it's very functional. It allows us to recharge our devices. It gives us several different options for lighting, so we can select a natural level of light, which is good for our eye longevity and health. But it really has shown us that as students, the work we're doing here is valuable. It goes beyond just the practical improvement, and it really speaks to the value and the generosity of this law school community. And Capital is really exceptional in that way. A strong professional support in the community and around the court system, and the leadership team, President Tice and Dean Grant and Dean Imtage, Professor Wondrasik, Mr. Cleveland, are leading with that mindset that the work that we're doing is valued and we are supported. And so having these upgrades, these improvements, it was a need, and they've met that need. And it really encourages us to continue doing the hard work that we're doing. The bar is changing to next generation, the next gen bar, and these new features in our Carrels are supporting the next generation of law school students on this journey to approach that next gen bar.